What up, it's your boy, MJ. Hey, Bars, it's good, it's Maddie. So it's all the Bars and Bar Nation. And you know, it's that time of the month again. It's time to go get a crack, yeah, at the chiropractor. And, we go get cracked. So no golf today, gonna get a chiropractor, hang out at the pool, yes, I'm pretty happy. Hang out at the pool, and I'm talking softly because it just feels like he must talk soft in here. So far holding up?
So far?
Yeah.
Good man. So you played much?
Yeah, since last time a lot.
Good.
But no pain.
Good. How's your game?
Pretty good.
Get your shirt off? And come right around this side. Turn face away from me. We'll put your left hand on that pad there. There you go. And lift your right knee up towards your chest as high as you can go, please. And down again. Beautiful. Left one up. There you go. Yeah, so now those are both working fine. That's why you're not hurting. Now stand up straight, head up straight. Scapula's at level. Relax your shoulders. Good man. Okay, hop right aboard. This is the best you've been so far.
Yeah.
No doubt about it.
Okay, Bars, great news. Went to the chiro and the doc said that your back is pretty much fine. Just did a little neck stretch, but didn't have to crack really anything. And said your back's brilliant. If you want to play today, you definitely can. So you don't have to wait 24 hours. We play right now today. So you know what? See you, Bars, at the club. What up, Bars? Okay, at the club. Headed to go and sign in now, and then go play. Well, get ready to play for like an hour and then go play, because the guy said that your back's doing fine and you can play Yao Glass. So, without further ado, let's go sign in, then hit the office, then hit the lab, then hit the links. Hello. What's going on today? Just like that?
Yeah. Just like right now.
Okay, so make them 18 holes, please.
packing an extra kid here.
Yep.
How you doing?
Good.
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 Got a big, strong voice.